Tell me how you love. Maybe I can speak a language. Tell me how you love.
Of course, you'll need rice, a mason jar, lemongrass, peppermint oil, and water. So I just put 1 cup. You can just do whatever you want. Here I'm just mixing it around, just trying to make sure that I get off anything extra and just drain that. Then I just put some water in. So the key here is really just trying to work all of that goodness out of the rice. And you're gonna be doing this for a while, so honey, make sure you're ready, baby. You're gonna be mixing some stuff, okay? Go ahead with your essential oils in your mason jar. Get you a strainer, and then we're gonna go ahead and pour the rice water through the strainer so that we don't have extra rice. And y'all, I'm struggling, okay? Don't spill it like I did, okay? Because it's a struggle. I was struggling. You see, I was making a mess, and see, I was really trying, y'all. I really was trying, and I finally got it together, okay? Finally. I was kind of scared there for a minute. So then I just kind of press it down just to make sure that I'm getting everything out that I can. So this is what your rice water should look like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video. Bye.